Hands-on English, an English language development program created by teachers for teachers. The Talking Box routine engages students with a hands-on, tactile experience to practice new vocabulary and sentence structures. You will need a small box with 8 to 10 items related to the chapter vocabulary and language structure being practiced. Program supports and scaffolds include sentence frames and vocabulary cards.
I brought this little box filled with stuff, and I kind of wanted to compare two things. My giraffe.
A giraffe?
My giraffe in here. I got this little guy right here.
A donkey?
Yeah, it's a little donkey right there. It's so cute.
Yeah.
Point to the one you think is tall. Which one is tall? Good. You don't have to touch it. We can just point to it. Nice. So if this guy's tall, what do you think this guy is?
Short.
Short. When I point to it, you guys say it.
Tall. Short.
Nice. I want to say it in a sentence. So the right way to say it is I would say, this one is tall.
This one is tall.
This one is short.
This one is short.
That was perfect. Let's try it again. Ready?
This one is
tall. This one is short. Nice. Huh. They're both cubs. How can we describe that one? I like how you said, what did you say? One is small, one's big. Does that work? Tell me another one.
One is fat and one is another one is fatter.
That's one way to say it. You can say that this one is skinnier, this one is fat. How about you?
This one is red and the other is red, white, and green.
Man, you guys are really descriptive. I like it. Can we just go with big and little?
Yes.
Awesome. Can you pick two out and see if you can describe them?
A different one.
No, it's totally okay to get the same ones. That's how you practice. I like it. You did a good job with that, buddy. I'm going to keep those. You can pick two things and compare them if you want. You can even pick the same ones or different. Okay. Ooh, this will be interesting. That's fascinating. Let's go. Tell us about it. Awesome job, guys.
The program also provides suggestions for extending the activity. To learn more about the Hands-on English program for kindergarten and first grade newcomers and beginners, go to the website or call us at 800-321-4332.